Hey everyone, welcome back to another Fred tutorial. My name's Josh, and today I'm going to show you how Fred handles coherent light by showing you an interference pattern generated by a Mach-Zehnder interferometer. So here you can see in our optical setup that we have our beam splitter that is going to divide the beam. That light is then going to reflect off these mirrors and then be recollected onto our analysis surface. So I'll run the quick ray trace, and here we see the behavior of the light. Now to view the interference pattern, what we're going to do is we're going to select the irradiance spread function. We're going to select OK. Double clicking on the left window will enlarge the image. And here we can see a fringe pattern that has been developed by the Mach-Zehnder interferometer. And there you go. As always, CBS is here to help support all Fred users, and keep an eye out for more helpful content just like this.